How to invite friends on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you were signed in and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the Earn Free Gifts and Credits option. You will then see various options in here on how you can earn free gifts on Temu. However, to invite friends on Temu, you will simply have to tap on any of the following options and you will be required to send an invitation link to your friends to be eligible for the gift. So, go ahead and invite your friends and send them the referral links or code. Send the referral link or code to friends via text, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger. Once your friend uses your referral link or code to sign up and make their first purchase, both you and your friend can earn rewards. So, this is how you can invite friends on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.